Today, I'll show you how to use Protonmail so you can start sending secure emails with confidence, even if you're brand new to the platform. We'll go through the basic layout, how to write and send a message, and how to keep your inbox organized all in a clear step-by-step way. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to create one. Protonmail will walk you through choosing a plan, setting up a secure password, and confirming your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main inbox screen. This is the central place where you'll read, write, and manage your emails. Let's start with sending a new message, since that's what most people want to do first. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different sections like inbox and sent. At the top of that left panel, there will be a button that says new message or compose. Click that. A new message window will appear, usually in the center or lower right area of your screen. At the top of this window is the recipient field. Click there and type the email address of the person you want to contact. Protonmail supports sending to both Protonmail users and people using other email providers. If you're emailing multiple people, you can add more than one address, separated by commas, or use the CC and BCC options if you want. Next, move to the subject line. This is where you briefly describe what your email is about, like meeting on Friday or project files attached. Keeping your subject clear and simple helps the recipient understand the importance of your message at a glance. Now click into the main body area of the email and start composing your message. You can type just like you would in any text editor. Protonmail also gives you basic formatting options such as bold, italics, underlining, bullet style lists, and text alignment. Use these tools to make your message easier to read, but try not to overdo it so the email stays clean and professional. If you need to add an attachment, look for the paperclip icon and choose the file you want to upload from your computer. When you're happy with what you've written, take a moment to quickly review the recipient's address and the subject line, just to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Once everything looks good, click the send button. Protonmail will encrypt and send your message, and you'll see it appear in your sent section. Now, let's look at how your email is organized. On the left, you'll see several main sections. Inbox is where new messages arrive. Drafts holds messages you started but haven't sent yet. Sent shows everything you've already sent out. Starred is where messages you've marked as important will appear. Archive is useful for messages you don't need in your inbox but still want to keep. Spam collects suspicious or unwanted emails, while trash stores messages you've deleted, at least for a limited time. You'll also see All Mail, which brings together most of your messages in one big list, along with special views like newsletters. Folders let you create custom places to store messages about specific projects, people, or topics. Labels work like color-coded tags you can apply to emails without moving them out of the inbox. By using New Message to compose, and then relying on inbox, drafts, sent, and your folders and labels to stay organized, you'll find Protonmail easy and efficient to use while still benefiting from its strong privacy and security features.